Hi guys, you may remember this project. We sourced 3 flats in the same block to one of our investors, and the job has been started for one of them. As you can see, it has been stripped and it's going to be fully plasterboarded. Here it was the lounge, and still the lounge is stripped the wall, and we're going to insulate the external walls. New kitchen, new bathroom, all new plasterboards which are going to be delivered, and the guys are cracking on. As you see, we took out the old hot water tank and the cupboard, so more space for a nice wide big walking shower. Here is the former kitchen. Will still be the kitchen, but we are going to move this partition wall a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. And as you see, this is the bedroom, which we are insulating everything and putting membrane to stop any damp coming on. So hopefully that will be a nice flat for one of our investors' tenant for years to come. Thank you. Goodbye.